Hello dears, thank you for following us. Today we want to discuss whether investing in cryptocurrencies is the right decision or not. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more contents, and we invite you to stay with us. Ethereum doesn't appear to be on the rise socially because its active addresses are dangerously declining every day as prices rise, according to Sentiment website. In this case of active addresses are now up 10% from the previous day, and despite the transaction volume in the RSI chart being in the overbought area and due to the increase in prices and the exit of Ethereum from the exchange to the wallet, it can be concluded that the owners of Ethereum have decided to exit of it, but the price shows resistance to falling. We are now seeing a shift in the state of Ethereum towards an upside situation, and this is a sign of the power of this cryptocurrency. But with all these circumstances, Bitcoin is expected to remain above Ethereum as the king of cryptocurrencies, and these mazes signal the start of a bull market. YouTube star KSI believes Bitcoin is the future. This British YouTuber who has lost a lot of money in Bitcoin fall in value and even to futures and leverage and loans taken for this purpose, in his latest interview in the UK, continues to express his support for Bitcoin. When asked what he would do if he became Prime Minister, he said he was interested in offering each person a pound of Bitcoin worth 100 in an incentive package. He added that investing in Bitcoin will be very profitable in the long term, and in the next 10 years people will laugh at others because they have held Bitcoin for a long time and achieved their goal. He added that the road is long but he is ready for this journey and he decided to do that. He compared Bitcoin with the traditional way of printing banknotes. He said it may not be possible to increase the amount of Bitcoin, but it can increase its value. He also said that people cannot predict the growth potential of the Bitcoin price. He had initially invested $2.7 million, bringing it to $9.74 million, but he lost that capital for the reason I mentioned earlier, so he knew the first step was to limit leverage in the futures markets. At present, despite the ability to trade leveraged tokens in exchanges like FTX, these losses can be avoided. NFT and earn money through games. This is one of my favorite topics. NFT is a rare and unique digital item that many artists and celebrities sell as a rare collection, and you have all heard about it in the news. Most of the games presented in blockchain are not like regular games and focus on one goal, and that is nothing but monetization. This big move attracts investors. And currently it's early stages and has a long way to go to reach major demands. Upcoming video games have the potential to be the main focus of NFT investment firms and are able to make in-game purchases for in-game players, even loans becomes capital and many other interesting and earning possibilities. Of course, these styles of play also have problems. In these games, more attention is paid to revenue generation of businesses and commercial properties, and this attention has reduced their attractiveness to players, but that will soon change. Now, investors have shown more interest in this style than gamers, and that has made these games more like gambling than a game in this type of system. Senior players benefit from new players and this causes them to leave. And in the end, play and earn, not play to earn. And this is the most important point, that NFT games should be fun so that players prefer to play and earn money along with it, and this should be an opportunity to earn while having fun. As I mentioned, this path takes a lot of profits and you have to give it time to reach high values. We are at the beginning of this journey and we accompany the young market. So investing in this market will be very, very profitable in my opinion. And of course, I'll be happy if you tell me in the comments, what would you do if I gave you $100,000 now? 1. Buy Bitcoins. 2. Buy altcoins. 3. Buy gold. 4. Buy real estate. Finally, I will introduce you to some currencies related to NFT and suggest that you buy and keep some of them for a long time, and in the future, you will have a huge treasure. Theta. Tezos. Axie Infinity. Chillas. Engine Coin. The Sandbox. Bakery Token. Wax. Illuvium. Economy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Goodbye from now.